Welcome viewers to Softedemy, a software engineering academy. Today I am going to discuss with you about baseline for earned value calculation. So what is a baseline for earned value calculation? How can we set our baselines in our Primavera P6 to calculate different type of earned value calculation to execute our project? So if you till not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon, like, comment and share. Here I will open my Primavera P6 here. So first of all, you can see I have activated my activity usage profile here, activity usage profile, and go here, activity usage profile option. And first of all, I will remove my extra settings from here, my all curves accumulatives from here. So you can see here, I have removed all my accumulatives from here. Estimated completion, I don't need right now. So planned value cost, earned value cost is necessary, and actual value cost and budgeted total cost. So budgeted total cost is also necessary. If you want to put, it's your choice. If you want to put actuals, it's your choice. So here I have put planned value cost and estimated value cost here. So now you can see the curve here and how the curve is drawn here. So this one is our S curve. So this one, the orange line is earned value and this one is planned value. So here when we go here in the projects, and in the projects maintain baseline, I have two baselines. One is a baseline and the other one is revision. I have one baseline and one revision. So this one is revision, that is the data date of 7 March 2021, and that one is the baseline, that data date is 28 of October 2020. So we have two different schedules. One is the baseline and one is our primary baseline. So first of all, when I go here in the assignment and I say that project baseline is BL and also project baseline in the primary baseline is also BL. So we can also put RE because RE is our revision schedule and it's our current schedule and it will be our running schedule. So we can also assign as a primary now because our project baseline is BL now. So it's up to your choice. So we press OK. And when we go here in the projects, and here we can see the setting. In the project setting, you can see baseline for earned value calculation should be used for as a primary baseline. So which one baseline we have assigned in primary will be used for earned value calculation? First of all, I will go here in the project baseline and we will see that project baseline, when we assign project baseline, so the baseline in the project will be applied here. When I click here, there is no changing in the schedule. I change project baseline and can you see there is no change in the baseline. I will go here and F9 press and I will schedule our project. Then you can see the line is changed now and the line go behind. So this is our project baseline curve for earned value calculation. For this one is a planned value and this one is earned value. So when we go here in the project and maintain the baseline, you can see our project baseline BL is assigned from 26th of October and that one is started from here and that's finished on behind of that one. We will go here in the project and we will assign baseline and we will change baseline to RE, our project baseline. Then we will see this one is changing now. So when we press OK, this line is changed now and this one is moved ahead. So we will go here again and assign baseline. We will change here the baseline as a BL. Press OK. Let's show you one thing, and I want to just go and change the setting. This one primary baseline should be our earned value calculation system. So here I will go here in the projects and I want to user primary baseline for calculation of my all earned value calculation in project. So here I will press F9. Schedule. When you schedule, then it will be changed here. So now which one is activated here? We will go here assign. So RE as a primary baseline is activated for our earned value calculation. If you change from here, it will impact here also. You can see here. So this one is how we can apply our baseline for earned value calculation settings. So this one is project level settings. So when you apply the settings, you need to press F5 or F9. So F9 is most activated to apply for earned value calculation. So when you are using two schedules, like one is baseline schedule and the one is your revision schedule or class 32 schedule. So you will apply this type of settings. So this is our today's content about baseline for earned value calculation and how can you assign product baseline and user primary baseline to your project to get your earned value calculation. So thanks for watching Softudemy. Like, comment and share. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe our channel. We will meet in next video with most interesting content. If you want to see more baseline videos, you can go on to our channel and you can see, type baseline in the search and you will get baseline videos in our channel. Thanks for watching Softudemy.